Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will talk to you about an interesting topic, my boyfriend. I have been with my boyfriend for 1 year now. We planned to go to New Zealand and travel. He is in New Zealand now, and I will go later. In 2 weeks, I will go. I bought my visa to New Zealand. I bought some presents, some gifts. I bought my plane ticket. It was 21,000 pesos. 21,000. And yesterday, my boyfriend told me he cheated on me. He is with a new girl. He doesn't want me to go to New Zealand anymore. He told me he is having so much fun with all his new friends and his new girlfriend. He doesn't want me to visit him anymore. I paid 21,000 pesos for this ticket. I hope he has fun in New Zealand. I hope he has the best time. And I hope he pays me back my 21,000 pesos. Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I have a new microphone. Today, I want to talk to you about something I saw on the bus the other day. The other day, I saw a little girl on the bus. She was dressed from head to toe in all pink. She was very cute. She was with her mother and her grandfather. But her mom had to leave and go to work. So she left her little girl with her grandfather. She had to give her mom a kiss goodbye and leave with her grandpa. So her mom passed over the daughter to her grandpa, and the little girl just cried and cried because she didn't want to leave her mom. She finally had to say goodbye, and she was carried away by her grandpa. It reminded me of when I was a little girl, and I could sympathize with how she was feeling. And that feeling when your mom is literally your whole entire world. And when you're younger, you can't even imagine a few hours without your mom. So you just miss her all day and you wait until she finally comes home. It made me tear up a little bit on the bus because it reminded me of how much everything changes and how fast we all grow up. Our parents grow up, our grandparents grow up, and we grow up. And before you know it, we are all grown-ups. And we can go days or even weeks without thinking about our moms. I'm sure every mother remembers those moments when we would always cry for them. And sometimes I wish I could go back to those days, to the days where my biggest worry was, when is mom coming home? Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for intermediate English learners. I will talk today about languages. I speak 2 languages, English and Spanish. When speaking, I feel almost like I have 2 different personalities, one in English and one in Spanish. The distinction between each language is not just the way I speak, but also the volume of my voice. I am much louder in English than I am in Spanish. However, in Spanish, I have much more of an outgoing personality. It's weird how languages can change the way you behave. English is my first language. I speak it with my family and at my work. But when I speak Spanish, I have only ever spoken at school and with my friends. I believe that's why I have a lot more casual vocabulary in Spanish. At least that's why I think I have 2 different personalities in each language. What about you? Do you ever feel like you have 2 completely different personalities in each language? This was a lot faster, but this is a higher level. Just remember. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is a little bit faster. Practice listening. Today, I want to talk about compulsive buying. We all have so many things. Things that we don't even need, but we think we need. I can sometimes get caught up buying things online that I don't really need. For example, we don't need the newest iPhone. We don't need the most expensive clothing. We evolved to live on this planet with ourselves and our environment. Of course, they are nice things to have. It's very convenient to have these things, but things like smart refrigerators or smart vacuum cleaners, I think that's a bit unnecessary. I always take a minute or two to think about what I'm going to buy. For example, the other day I was about to buy a Kindle because I thought I want to read more. But then I thought I don't need to spend 2,000 pesos to read more. I just need to read more. I have a lot of books, a lot of PDF books on my phone. So I shouldn't buy a Kindle just because I think it will make me read more. What about you? Being honest. Are you a compulsive buyer? Comment down below. And try not to read the subtitles.